Hi all, welcome to Telugu IT Factory. Please share and subscribe our videos and channel. Question: what are the reasons for my Docker slow performance? How to improve it? Answer for this is: Docker slow performance can be caused by various factors. Some common reasons and potential solutions to improve performance are: resource constraints. Ensure your host machine has sufficient resources, CPU, memory, and disk space, to run the containers. Monitor resource usage with tools like Docker Stats, htop, or top, and adjust resource limits or allocate more resources to the host if necessary. Storage driver. Different storage drivers can impact performance. Check the current storage driver in use with Docker info and consider using a different storage driver, such as overlay 2 or aufs, if your current driver is known to have performance issues. High container count. Running a large number of containers on a single host can lead to resource contention and slow performance. Consider reducing the number of containers per host or using orchestration tools like Docker Swarm or Kubernetes to distribute containers across multiple hosts. Swapping. Ensure that your system is not swapping memory to disk, which can significantly slow down performance. Monitor swap usage with tools like free, and consider adding more RAM or configuring Docker to use a smaller memory limit with the - memory flag. Logging. Excessive logging can impact performance. Configure your containers and applications to log only necessary information, and consider using log drivers to offload logs to external storage or log management services. Network issues. Network latency or congestion can impact container performance, especially when containers rely on external services or communicate with each other. Monitor network usage and latency, and consider optimizing network configurations, using faster networks, or deploying containers closer to the services they depend on. Large images. Large container images can take longer to pull, start, and consume more resources. Optimize your Docker files by using smaller base images, multi-stage builds, and removing unnecessary layers to reduce image size. Disk IRO. Slow disk IRO can cause performance issues, especially for containers with high disk usage. Monitor disk IRO using tools like iostat or htop, and consider using faster storage devices, like SSDs, optimizing disk configurations, or using volumes to offload IRO-intensive workloads. Antivirus software. Some antivirus software may interfere with Docker performance by scanning container files and processes. Consider configuring your antivirus to exclude Docker-related directories and processes. Hardware virtualization. Ensure that hardware virtualization support is enabled on your host system, as this can improve Docker's performance. Check your BIOS or UEFI settings or refer to your hardware vendor's documentation for instructions on enabling hardware virtualization.